Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So, I think there's like a really weird glitch going on because I've been on Facebook and there's this like page called Animal Jam Lovers stuff. So I'm on it and I've seen people like posting pics of this glitch, which I have now, and this is a glitch. So I'll give you 5 seconds to see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I'm friends with my own self. And I just logged on, and my daily routine when I log on to Animal Jam, I check who's online, and then I just saw me. And I could send myself gifts, so I'll send myself this. Bam. So yeah, I already sent myself that, and I'm keeping each jam. But yeah, I could also block my own self, and when I say something, I can't see it. I could report my own self, but I don't want to do that. I could even trade my own self. So let me just put something on trade, and I'll put this on trade. Let me unblock myself first. So now, wait. Just wait. Okay, I'm just gonna go to my den. Okay, so can't click my own self, but I could go on here, and I don't know why it's not showing. I did it before actually. Okay, well it's not showing, but I traded myself. I actually traded the same thing, like a spike and a spike, and yeah, it was really weird. But yeah, comment down below if you also have this glitch. I just think it's really weird. Hold on, let me see if this works. Okay, I was just seeing if that would work. Like playing a game with your own self. That I know that would be stupid, but yeah, still not showing. But yeah, sorry I couldn't show you guys that, but it did happen. I just put back my spike. It's really windy outside. But yeah, bye guys.